Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be guiding you through the facility dashboard. By mastering this feature, you'll make data-driven decisions that improve patient care and streamline your facility operations. Let's start with an overview of the facility dashboard. This feature is divided into three main sections: the summary dashboard, revenue tracking, and the data completion. First up, we have the patient summary. This is your go-to area for everything related to the patient activity. On here, you'll get to see the total count of the patient, the new patient registrations with the rating below. This is in comparison to the previous month. We also have the total number of encounters listed, the total number of encounters recorded this month, also with a rating in comparison to the previous month. There is a display with the total count of patients, indicating the number of patients with single visits and also the number of patients with the repeated visits. We have a pie chart with the total number of patients by gender and a table with the total count of patients registered by age group and the gender comparison. There is a table with the count of encounters by hour of the day. This will mainly help you check the peak hours. There's also another pie chart with the total encounters by visit type. There's a table showing the trends of patients with new registration within each month. We also have an encounter grouped by practitioner section where you get to view each finished and arrived encounter. Lastly, we have a display of all the top 10 diagnoses, investigations, and inventory sales. And below that, we have a listing of how the patients heard about the facility for all the new registered patients. This will enable you to track which marketing method works best for your facility. Next, we have revenue tracking, a comprehensive view of all the financial aspects of your facility. On here, the first four display cards are the same as the summary issue. These are the patients, new registration, total encounters, and encounters this month. You can also monitor the bill's ARPV versus the previous month with also a rating. The rating indicates whether it's an increment or a decrement. We also have the total amount received and a table comparing the total amount monthly and the total ARPV monthly. This is mainly helpful in tracking trends. Next, we have a revenue breakdown section. On here, you'll get to see the total income made by a department. We also have a table with the total amounts made per month divided into the total amounts made by each department. And lastly, we have a listing of the amount generated by practitioners and also the received payments by users. Finally, we have the data completion section. This feature compares the total number of patient encounters with key data points like recorded diagnoses, prescriptions, and investigations requests and the results. It helps you ensure that all encounters are properly documented, minimizing errors and maintaining the integrity of your data. And that's a quick tutorial of the facility dashboard on Ilara's HMIS. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more videos like this that will enable you to fully maximize Ilara's HMIS to its full potential.